So I've been in Toronto, Torono, as the locals would say. I've been in Toronto. Now I'm just hyper aware of it. Cool. Oh my god. Been in Toronto. What do I normally say? Toronto. Yeah, I'd say Toronto. I've been in Toronto for 3 months. 3 months and 1 week, to be precise. And things are going well. Yes, I'm stressed about money. Yes, I'm stressed about life and my existence and purpose. Yes, I'm stressed about the fact that I've gained like 10 kilos. But I'm having a good time, I think. I don't know. So I managed to get a job within the first week of being here. But then that job ended. It was a housekeeping job at a hostel. Yeah, it was okay. Kill me. I'd like to just go ahead and thank my adoring fans for coming out tonight. Thank you. This was a low point. I'm in the elevator. Fuck. So if you need anyone for cleaning, mopping, making beds, don't call me, because I don't want to do it anymore. I would not. It was okay. But not about to make it my full-time biz, you know? Oh, another thing. I didn't do a hostel haul. You know what people throw out in hostels? Everything. You know what they leave behind? Everything. So we did like the whole cleanup of the hostel before summer ended, because like the hostel was closing because it's like a temporary hostel. Found so much stuff. A suitcase. Resistant band thingies. Another suitcase. And that one's pretty good actually. A torch. A whole bunch of bedding. This. Is that focus? Focus! This Chloe sunglass. It's out of focus again, isn't it? Like, what? But yeah, I think that's kind of it. Also, when we were cleaning out the fridges and stuff, we got a bunch of food that people were throwing out. Where did my scarf go? I don't remember taking it off. I got a whole bunch of sweet potatoes. I got a big bag of rice. What else did I get? Okay. Keep one. Sick. Like, this bag of coffee was full. I've been using it. It's actually pretty terrible coffee, but it's free. And then this bag of rice. And yeah, I had a bunch of sweet potatoes and things. For free! My favorite word. I just realized that showing you all that free stuff probably makes me look like a little bit of a weirdo hoarder person, but whatever.
There's people that are dying.
Sorry that I enjoy free things. Wow. What else? I managed to find a place. This is my place that I'm in. We got the bed. We got the lamp. We got a wardrobe. We got a carpet. We got a dresser. That came with the house. Also, this desk came with the house. All my gross sticky notes. Oh, and these came with the house too. Frame, frame, and frame. Shout out to the frames. They make the room, to be honest. I just live here. That also came with the house. Yeah, that's kind of it. This is the room. It's kind of messy right now. Look at that lighting though. I will give the room that, but like, the best thing about this room, to be honest, is the view. Are you ready for this view? So good. I love it. Like, just get a full view of the house. Their curtains are always closed. Well, I feel like I've won in this situation because my curtains always get to be open. Theirs are always closed. So I get to walk around nude because I know their curtains are going to be closed, you know? So it's... I win. I don't know, that was the weirdest tangent. Haven't really explored much of Toronto itself, though. Kind of as soon as I got here, I found a job, found a place. I was just like already just super anxious about finding a job and a place because I was broke as fuck. And so I didn't really like go out and spend my time sightseeing because I had stuff to do. But now that things have kind of settled down, it's getting really freaking cold. So I don't want to leave my house. Therefore, I have still not been sightseeing. I've been to like restaurants and bars and stuff, which is cool. Like, I think that's like more the vibe here. Like, sure, you see the CN Tower, you see the things, but I think Toronto is more about the vibes, not like the bars and the nightlife and the food. There's a fly. Oh, one cool thing that happened was I moved here because I had a friend. Like, I didn't move here because I had a friend here, but I moved here because I knew someone, and it was like making the transition to moving here a little bit easier. She's since left. She's gone back to Australia. So I'm really looking for friends. If anyone here lives in Toronto and wants to be friends, I'm not a creep. I'm kind of fun. I make good cocktails. I think that's all I really offer. Yeah, so she left. That was really cool. So, riding solo. I kind of like it though. Kind of into it. Okay, well that's me done. Bye. Bye.